Hello everyone, I'm Jacob Shadome. I'm a computer science major at WSU, and today we're going to make a cloud in a jar. Now what you need for this is a cup of warm water, some ice in the lid for a jar, the jar itself, and a thing of hairspray. Anything will work, but you may get different results depending on what you use. First, carefully pour the warm water in, taking extra care not to burn yourself if it's too hot, and slowly fill the jar. Now, go ahead and place the lid with ice in it on top, upside down, and wait for about 20 seconds. After that, go ahead and quickly remove the lid and spray some hairspray into the jar. Now, as you might be able to see here, you're starting to get a cloud within the jar. Why does that happen? Well, let's take another look and see why.
Wow.
As you can see here, the cloud comes out slightly. The reason this works is because when you add warm water to the jar, some of it actually turns into water vapor. That vapor rises to the top of the jar where it comes into contact with the cold air thanks to the ice cubes. The water vapor will condense when it cools down. However, a cloud can only really form when it has something to condense onto. That's where the hairspray comes in. The water vapor actually latches onto the hairspray, making it so it can come out in a cloud. Alright, that's all for this project. Thank you for joining us. See you all in the next video.